Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this second video, I would like to do another demonstration about bitTaqwa app. Yesterday, before we've done about the dashboard part where there's inspirations and then some of the horizontal scrolling and the scroll view. Yeah, only that. So now we're gonna move to a feature, namely Doa Doa inside this bitTaqwa app. So let's try to click it. The Doa Doa have another menu, and this is the menu. Over here, there are some types of dua. There are night and day dua, house prayers in the house, eating and drinking, on the way, prayers, and good at tea. So, for example, we're gonna pick in okay, try makan and minum. So over here, there are three prayers that the bitTaqwa app provide in the type that is makan and minum or eating and drinking. And there are three, right? There is prayers for opening fast, prayers before eating, and prayers after eating. We're gonna try prayers before eating and before when opening fasting. So it will show this kind of detail where there's the title, the Arab, the Latin, the meaning, and who is the narrator. So, for example, the dua of opening fasting. ذهب الظمأ وبتلت الأرق وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله. There's the Latin, so if you are really hard to read the Arabic, you may try reading using this, the Latin that the bitTaqwa app provide. And then there are the meaning. The thirst is already gone, and then the nerve already wet, and some of the reward will I get inshallah, and it's narrated by Abu Dawud. Yeah, for example, like that. So not only that, there are also like in perjalanan, there are uh, prayers when entering a market maybe. Yeah, it's the prayers. And there are also good ethics. For example, when sneezing. So yeah, Alhamdulillah. Yarhamukallah, Yahdikumullah, wa yuslihu balakum. So, yes, this is some etiquette we sneeze, for example. And what makes this layout interesting is the logo. Then, how do we make this kind of layout and the function? Let me explain from the code. So we use this many class and XML. Okay. Starting from the first, we're starting from constraint layout. Like I explained before, constraint layout is like a green flag. The reason why we are not using the scroll view is because we are not scrolling. And then there is also a toolbar, and if you can see here, we are using style toolbar appearance, and yeah, it's from the rest. It's from layout. No, it's from value. So over here, we already make a styling toolbar that will be modified by itself with this kind of criteria. And then down here there is like the color, we pick color primary that we already setting inside color. So there are many. And then there is also some uh, like layout hide, match parents, wrap content. Content is for making it same like the content, and parent is for making it depends on the app what does it want. So down here there's an image view, card view. This is the card view if you can look. And then there is also some image view that we use some icons. So the icon, where do we get the icon? We get it from Drawable. And where's the drawable? Yes, this is drawable. Drawable is a place for providing some pictures, images, etc. that you want for your app. And then this is for text view. We use the NAMP. It's for making this kind of and logo. We also use text color. And then yeah, we use ID for naming the app. Why is it right? Yeah, it doesn't matter. So if you go down, it's still the same card view, and image view as well. So there's not much that I could explain from here because the main point is inside this one. There's item row Doa, and what's the function? Item row Doa is for like making some items. So the Doa provides some Doa. So the type of Doa provides some Doa, and this is the type of Doa. For example, there are Solai. So it's for like it will make a constant layout and an image view, and there's also text view over here, and it will be set depends on the app, the image view as well. So it's just a template, and then after that, and yeah, just closed with a card view because we open it using card view, right? And then in the list view, it will show some list. So what I mean by list, the list is just these numbers. So it will be filled with this. So imagine like it'll be like this. So we go to pagi and malam. So yeah, we try to click. Previously it's just normal text, but when we click it, it will be filled with this kind of card view, and the card view is from item row 2A. And then the activity 2A is just a list, and then yeah, there's also toolbar with the style that I explained before, but this time we use recycle fuel, and it is for making some this many lists. So and then in the detail this is when things are getting fun. The detail what happened. Okay. The detail dua is a place where it will provide the dua, the main content. So we use constant layout. We don't use any scroll wheel because it doesn't scroll. And there is a toolbar like always. But there's a nested scroll wheel. And then there is a constant layout with an image of a background round. So this is a constant layout. There inside it there is a text view, then some another text view, but these text views are different. There are title, Arabic, Latin, description, and profile of the narrators. So that's the layout. Now we're gonna explain about the classes. So we're going to start from menu do activity. So over here it will just make the app functioning. For example, private fund. So it will make a private function to one only. So it will make this thing could move when it get clicked. So it will make night and day button will be activated when it was clicked. Same like the do a rumah, do a eating and drinking, do a way, and then do a prayer, do a good ati, and it will be closed using another function. When it is selected, it will be down. It will be finished. So from this one, it will bring to a list dua. So wait, list dua is which one? Yes, the wait, oh yeah. So use the I get it, I get it. So the list dua is the one. So it will start a class, normal. It will make a private variable named list to activity binding. And binding is a plugin actually, it's from Gradle. And then it will start a function creating this thing so it's registering. And the binding is will inflate and it will make the title and the logo. So the title it will go to string and then the icon it depends on what we already put later on. So it will also do it when the title of pagi and malam, rumah, eating and drinking is starting, etc. until the down. And then the value of the adapter will be there's the title and logo. It will change, and then it will be true depending on the what we click liner layout manager. So it will be fixed. The layout will be fixed. So it will be like tidy, and the adapter will connect to the adapter of the Dua. And in the override fun, yeah, it's same like previous one. So in the detail Dua activity, it will create the content. So it will start like always, make a function, and then binding, etc. No, this one will be changed depend on what and depend on which one we click. So the content will change depend on the data. And then the do a model. Yeah, so title, do a translate Latin profile are variables, and this is the part where we create it. So this part could be functioning. And in the do a list adapter, it will. Oh my god, what happened? Oh, it will make the. It will inflate the resource layout of the item will do a make it parent, and it will create a function of get item count. So it will be count. So it's not like more, and then it will start another one function on binding view holder. It will like make the list view holder position, so it will be fixed, and the variable do will go in the correct position, and then yeah, the glide with folder item content will be load the logo, and then it will be like a folder in the iPhone logo, etc. So that's the part. And then where do we get the content actually? Cause the application provide the content differently. So it's from here. Here is in the data. There is do a good at eat, do a eating and drinking, do a night and day, do a on the way, do a at home, and do a solar. So we're gonna start from do a good at it. So it will show like this part, the title, do a when sneezing, and then the prayers, and then the meaning, and then the Latin, and then the what's the name narrator, and then it will this code is for making it depend on what we click. If the variable let's do a good at data, and it will be grouping until like this. So it will be making a group like this. Good at tick, right? And then do one person. So it will group. So it's in one group now. Yeah, so it's like that. It's same like the other. So this, all of them are same, but it's a different content. So it will just waste our time if we just explain all of it. Yeah. So that's all for the do feature of bitTaqwa app. This app is so cool, and yeah, there are also many do that bitTaqwa app provide. And after the do we're gonna move to zakat, and then there's prayer schedule, and then lecture video. So I think that's all for this today demonstration. Hopefully all of you are enjoying it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.